Thanks. On the shelves. I can't even think it. There's so many. And whatever that is. What is that? What? Sit still. What? Well, she's stupid.
No, I'm not.
Jump in it. She got water on her pants because she's stupid. But it looks goodly, so. All these footprints in the sand. But that poem, I gotta find that poem. Freaking water in my shoes. It's not even fair about it. Really mad about this, but whatever. My family's here, we're all together, it's great, having a great time. Here with my aunt slash because look at the water.
Oh my gosh.
It's so pretty. What?
It looks so cool. And my god pants wet again. Yeah.
That's what you get for wearing pants. You could have rolled them up. Stupid. To throw these because she's rude. But whatever, I'm gonna take it home. Ready? Say, go! Bah! I got you so good. Got you so good.
Peter gonna be so See me.
Wait, they're even gone. Oh, I see what you mean. Look at these. You got dirt on your back. Dun, 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 dun. Look at this Chucky. Digging like a dog. Ruff, ruff. Digging like a dog, laughing like a seagull.